The research entitled The Effectiveness of Using Portfolio Assessment in Lecture by Controlling Mathematical Logical Intelligence. The authors: published by ADP Sciences. This is an open access article distributed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution License 4.0. The purpose of this research aims to examine the effectiveness of using portfolio assessment in the integral calculus lecture after logical mathematical intelligence is controlled.
To determine if there's a difference in learning outcomes in integral calculus between students who use portfolio with students who use essay assessment. The method of the study we use is the research design used was post-test only control group design, which was held on semester even academic year 2015-2016 in Mathematics Education Department, FMIPA Ondiksha. The population of this study are all students of the Department of Mathematics Education who were attending lectures integral calculus. The population consists of 153 students who are distributed into 4 classes with relatively homogeneous characteristics. Through random sampling obtained Class B and C as experimental group and Class A and D as control group. Members of the sample from each group were taken randomly with the same number as many 44 people, so there are as many as 88 samples. The instrument used in the integral calculus achievement test in the form of essay and mathematical logical intelligence test. By using the Losch's test involving 8 experts, obtained index content validity from the integral calculus achievement test of 0.95 and the logical mathematical intelligence test of 0.88. Results of empirical test: the 10 items are valid with reliability coefficient of 0.87. Meanwhile, the logical mathematical intelligence test, multiple choice with 45 items. The empirical test results show 40 items of valid questions and 5 false problems, with a reliability coefficient of 0.85. Data were analyzed using one-path, one-way covariance analysis or ANCOVA test.
The result of analysis of line 4, factor 1, shows F arithmetic equals to 5,998 with sig less than 505, which means there is a difference in learning outcomes, integral calculus, between students who use portfolios with students who use essay assessment. If seen from corrected average, it turns out that the average A1 76.55 is bigger than average A2 73.70. So it can be concluded that the learning outcomes integral calculus of students who follow the learning with the portfolio assessment is higher than students who use the essay assessment after logical mathematical intelligence control. The result of this research showed that students' learning outcomes of integral calculus who were taught integral calculus with portfolio assessment was higher than those of the students who were taught with essay assessment. The findings of this study show that using portfolio assessment is effective to improve students' learning outcomes of integral calculus.
In conclusion, based on the results of the hypothesis testing, the findings in this study is the learning result in integral calculus of students who follow the process of learning accompanied by portfolio assessment higher than students who use the essay assessment. Thus, it can be concluded that an effective portfolio assessment improves students' integral learning calculus results after logical mathematical intelligence is control. And referring to the results of research that has been stated above, the use of portfolio assessment can be developed in other subjects.